Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Guys, right on the countertop here, it's packed with lots of antioxidants. Wow, amazing. My Irish mash, I will leave a link of how I made the gel. Superfood, super awesome. Lots of antioxidants with my moringa, superfood. Alright guys, gonna build you. It's a good immunity support. Alright, daily supplement. I'm gonna add 1 finger of ripe banana and some almond milk and just 2 pieces of crushed ice. Nothing more guys, no sugar, no nothing. So I blend some of the Irish mash in this one when I was making it, just to show how you can make it in different ways. And I just put the container in the fridge because you know some look a bit in it, some in our waste. Alright guys, and we're just gonna add everything. No lele. Okay. 1 finger of banana. Can you see my Irish mash guys? Yes, look at this. Wow. Can you see the goodness? And I'm gonna put about 2 of this teaspoonful. 2 teaspoonful. A little bit more. Wow, and that's it guys, look at that. Ooh, yes. And guys, this is it. You want to soak it and then you boil it and strain it. All right, and this is my superfood, my moringa powder. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon. You can make it into capsule guys, and you can take them as daily supplement. Boost your immune system. All right. And now I'm gonna add some ice, not too much, and I'm gonna put about 1/2 cup of almond milk. This is it, 1/2 cup of almond milk. And that's it. Maybe put a cup. That's it. Guys, I think I'm gonna flavor it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put a pinch, just a pinch of Jamaican allspice in it. That's good. And now guys, you want to cover it, and that's it. We're gonna blend it. Look at that goodness guys. Woo. Can you see it guys? You see how thick and nice it is? Superfood. Oh my goodness, tastes so refreshing and nice. Guys, this is not sweet, this is just normal, but if you want it to be sweet, you can add about 1 teaspoon of honey. All right, and we're gonna pour some in. Let's move that away. Let's pour some in. Look at that goodness guys. Yes, my super food. This is a meal all by itself guys, really thick, healthy and refreshing. All right, packed with lots of antioxidants, lots of health benefits, super refreshing and nice. A daily supplement. All right guys, good for your immune system. Look how thick it is. Alright guys, I have more awesome recipe coming with my Irish mash, so please remember to give me a little bit of like and subscribe to my channel for more great and awesome content. Super healthy and refreshing drink. Love upon me guys, and I love upon you. One love, and be blessed, and put God first. Wow. Bye guys.